All right. So Karen and I are talking here about the stages of
Tempo.
Filipina tempo. So what is stage 1?
She won't talk to you.
So what was stage?
Silent treatment like that.
So stage 1, you get the silent treatment. What is stage 2?
Debate.
Debate. Well, then she starts talking, but hostile.
Yeah.
Debate.
Third stage.
This is the third stage, guys.
Yeah.
The ref, the dining set ends up out in the yard.
Yeah, our godfather.
Oh.
Yeah. And yeah, it ended up like
Yeah, the sofa is under the tarp over there. All the clothes are in the bags.
Let's check, guys.
Here.
Let's go.
Take about a tour.
Let's go. So it's complete.
It's funny, but it's not funny.
So
Karen, what the story is that the guy lived up here and the girl lived in town.
Yeah, look at this, guys. There's
their bed and everything.
Yeah.
And so the girl moved in up here. How long were they together before they broke up?
Years, also like 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
So she's up here for 3 years? Wow, that's a long time to be together.
She's the one who bought all of this. That's why she.
So she bought everything.
Yeah, the guy.
He's a deadbeat.
Yeah, and
wow.
if the guy have money, he don't give money the girl. Maybe.
So the girl was supporting him. You
Yeah.
can see why these girls go for the expats.
She's the one who support the husband, not the husband support her.
So she's
Maybe
supporting the
she's
husband.
Maybe
So guys, if you
maybe
do,
she's tired already.
let me talk to these guys, Karen. So if you do your homework, guys, for 3 years you can get one of these girls to support you before she figures it out and throws. Right?
Takes years also patience.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's already excess
Yeah.
if it's full already the charger, the battery,
So that
it explode.
that's kind of goes along with my experience. A lot of these girls here, they'll actually support the guy, and they get tired of that after a while, getting played. So in the West, it's usually the lady that plays the guy. Here in the Philippines, it's usually the guy playing the lady. And for 3 years support, and then
No bueno.
no bueno. She figured it out after 3 years. Oh well.
Not good.
It's actually kind of sad for her. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You sure? All right, here we go.
Oil.
Do you know how to ride that motorbike? You sure?
You put a kasabay na James na XR?
Yeah, we have to. Did she bring the straps?
Yeah.
She has them? Okay. Wouldn't be the first XR in the mountain to be used that way. My signal light is on. How dare you? A lot of air.
The back tire. That's why it's
Oh, it's overinflated. Ton put too much air in it. It hugs the dirt better, the rocks better. If it's a little bit underinflated. That's what she's talking about. But that bike carries her little body pretty fast. It doesn't have as good a traction though as the XR. The XRM is a little bit, the tires are just too small. Too narrow. XRM makes this easy. XR makes it easy, XRM makes it difficult. It's great on the road though. For short hops around town, it's nice. Even going to Clevo and back, it's okay. Going to Iloilo, which we've done, that's kind of a little bit difficult. XR, it's a breeze. You can get those for $300 or $400 here. XRM. A little bit more you can get in a used XR. Karen, what's all that? Karen, can you explain what all this is?
That's from Aranas. I brought all here.
No, we didn't have a satellite dish. There's a freaking satellite dish there. Somebody's refrigerator, kitchen cabinets. What's going on here?
all of the materials in the house. Rep. There's a rep.
So,
Yeah.
explain.
Here.
Why is all of this in the yard of Nana and Tata here on the mountain?
This is for the dishes. Then garbage. Washing machine.
Here,
There's a
let
washing
me
machine.
take my helmet off.
Hello
So what
guys.
happened?
I asked my mother if there's evacuee here. Yeah, there's a chair. There's a washing machine. A lot of cabinets, shoe rack, cabinet for clothes, buckets, grilling pan, chair, tables, also mirror. Yeah, a lot of wirings, even signal satellite. I saw under it, under there guys, the satellite, and a lot there pa oh. Maybe clothes. What happened here? Weed, what happened here, Weed? Couch. It's a couch here. No space already, guys. Huh? James, a lot of clothes. And couch here, foam. Maybe, our neighbor broke up. That will happen to James if he don't turn off his signal light.
So mean. Hello, Wade, you idiot. How you been?
So Kuya Kishan go here in the mountain also guys because I used the XRM and I didn't check the box. And Kuya Christian's phone is here inside. That's why. Instead of me bringing the kasaba, it's Kuya Christian instead, guys. He put there at the back of his motorcycle the kasaba.
Kasaba sa ano sa mga sa
Haman to. Nagama ka to. Oh, there's a drone. James following Kuya Christian using drone, guys. So Nana here, guys, is making kumbo. It's made of glutinous rice and a banana. Powdered glutinous rice. And then you mix it with banana and then fry it. Wow. Poco, you want also? Ka-cute na ya.
Testingan ko malang dahil may ano po tatanong.
Ikaw mantika na eh?
Last dang ra.
Kumbo.
Last lang da. Ano ba mantika na sa
Like a pancake. Yung ko pancake na eh. That is the pancake. Haman may cornstarch na eh.
Ay, mabilin ito. Testingan ko kung pwede isang start lahat.
This is the pancake here in Philippines, guys. Kumbo.
Lahat sa James.
I'll get one. Ay, yeah.
So, alam mo.
For James.
What is it, Karen? It's so
Kumbo. It's a pancake here in Philippines.
good. Made out of what?
Banana and glutinous rice, and
That's
then
really
fry it.
It's really tasty. No kidding.
Mm.
You guys have been 10 out of 10 lately with the Filipino food.
Mm.
that catfish last night. Now,
Kumbo.
kumba, kumba.
There's a lot there pa. But
Good.
it's hot. Mainit. Today, Tatay is tilling his rice field in the preparation for planting. Tatay previously plowed the field. He is currently doing finishing tillage before replanting rice. Tatay is using his female Anwong, the mother of our Carabao princess, to till the field. Her newest white calf can be seen following along.
All right. So they plant the corn up on the mountain a little differently than we do in the West.
Yeah, guys, but there's a lot of weeds.
Yeah. So we like 20,000, 25,000, 30,000 seeds, something like that per acre. You guys it's so low. It's low density and it's high density. You've got 2 seeds in each hole, which is not good because the plants rob from each other. It makes the ears smaller. You should have
one.
There's an optimal seed spacing.
You should one only.
It should be 1, and then the seed spacing is perfect. You get a higher yield. There's an optimal for every soil and climate condition. There's a optimal seed spacing. Okay, and you got to kind of figure out what that is, and then implement a row spacing and a seed spacing in the rows, the distance between rows and within the rows of the seeds, and maximize your plant population, optimize your plant population for yield. And if you did that, increase the fertility a little bit, optimize your plant population, you'd probably get 100 times more corn from here than you guys get now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right.
Even me before I am planting and we put like 2 seeds.
Yeah.
We don't put 1.
I would recommend just do 1.
Because sometimes it
The
dies.
germination rate is very high. You guys maybe were dealing with bad seeds, but these seeds we're getting from Pacifica, this brand, it's good. It's certified seed. It's like got a 90% germination. It's crazy. There's no reason to plant 2 seeds. Because if you put the seeds a little bit further apart, you're going to get 2 giant ears of corn. If you put 2 in one hole, you're going to get 2 half-size ears of corn. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right.
Maybe that's my father answer too.
Well,
maybe
he's operating on old theory of like when the seed wasn't germinating good. These seeds are treated for
that's
fungus.
what my father told me also before.
Yeah, but when you got a 90% germination rate and you're putting 2 seeds, almost every one of those holes is going to have two plants in it. So then you're making the ears are going to be this big.
The nutrients is not enough to one. They are getting each other.
But it works. It's sustainable. It's sustainable because that's what you guys have been doing probably since corn got here, and it's easy on the land. So there's a trade-off, you know, and it doesn't pull a lot of nutrients out of the land that way.
Yeah.
So I think it probably almost does nothing to the soil fertility because all you're doing is removing the ears of corn. You're not really taking any significant amount of potassium or phosphorus out of the soil, so it's not doing any harm. But you know, it's a nice low impact way to farm.
Yeah.
But if you want to do commercial, big time commercial, you do like we do by the house.
Yeah.
8 inches by, I don't know what row spacing, maybe 24 inches. Good?
Yeah.
All right.
Kuya is having a Rusi.
Somebody will say, James is talking too much, he's a know-it-all. If you don't want to hear me talk, just hit the skip button. But this is just an observation that some farmers will, you know, they'll know what I'm talking about right away and find it very interesting. They're low population density here, and they're putting 2 seeds in each hole because they're used to dealing with low germination rates from seeds they probably saved. There's probably been worms biting on the seeds and stuff, and there's no fungicide on the seed, so that's why they do it that way, and it's understandable. Fertilizer this because it's only like a 55-day corn.
Very easy.
The one we got down there is an 80-day corn, so the ears are going to be twice as big anyway.
Look at Tatay's ginger. Oh, a lot of
the
ginger.
That is cool.
This is ginger, guys. You can see there.
That's Gabi?
Yeah, that's Gabi.
I love that stuff.
Yep.
I like those. Karen, I really want to get some of those wild pigs.
We are selling ginger. My mother is selling in market. We are not selling onion or garlic. We cannot grow here, guys. Only ginger.
What if we go back up to Libacao and ask how much that land is, that 1,500 square meter? Because everybody's got native pigs there. We might as well just get some native pigs and raise them there. Huh?
Yeah. But the native pigs, James, don't... what do you call that, James? They are small.
I know.
That is good only if for consuming, but if you...
They're good for foraging.
Yeah.
You can let them
But
free range.
if for business, it's no good.
Yeah, I know.
Because it's lightweight only, James.
It's like the corn density question we were just talking about. It's a different method.
Yeah.
Oh, Karen, you've got nice plants.
Yeah, I'll bring in aranas and I have malunggay. We will plant this and also papaya.
Oh, that's good. I could go for some papaya.
Yeah. Let's go.
Zoom zoom.
Zoom zoom.
All right, here we go. What's wrong, Karen? Your back tire flat or something? Oh, you're cheating. You're letting the air out. Letting the air out of the tire because a flat tire is easier to get down the hill.
No, what I mean, it's weird.
It's too hard?
Yeah. It's weird, like I cannot control it.
Yeah, you got the mud tire on there, but it's hard to control. I know the feeling. The tire is just too narrow on the XRM. Well, freaking muddy. We need to use the carabao here. Ooh.